back to new class, new topic. So today I will teach you exercise 4.3 class 8. Okay, let's come back. This chapter related to resolve into factors. So at first we have to know what is the definition of resolve into factors. So what is called resolve into factors? Please come back and follow the board. You can see resolve into factors. Resolve into factors or factorization. If an expression is equal to the product of two or more expressions, each of the lettered expressions is called a factor of the former expression. And after finding the possible factor of any algebraic expression and then expressing the expression as a product of these factors are called the factorization or resolve into factors. Okay, so we have learned what is called factorization or resolve into factors. So product of two expressions, here is a plus b into a minus b. Here is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is the resolve into factors. So let's come back. We have to know few rules for using the resolve into factors. Let's come back. We can see here is, now we have to know few rules for using the factorization or resolve into factors. Here is, you can see a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, and a square plus b square equal a plus b whole square minus twice ab, and a cube plus b cube equal a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And remaining maths you have to take common and middle term breaking. Okay, so at first we'll try to solve the maths using formula. If we cannot solve the maths using formula, then we have to apply the remainder theorem or another process, middle term breaking. Okay, let's come back. We can see here is 4x square minus y square. So here is 4x square minus y square. Easily we can do this math. 4x square. 4 is perfect square. So twice x whole square minus y square. So here is, we know a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So we can write a plus b into a minus of b. That's done. Because here is 2x, this is a square and this is b square. A plus b into a minus of b. So that's number 1 we have done. So a square minus b square completed. Now this is a preliminary maths. That means first very small maths, but we have to know using the formula. Okay, we have to do 4x to the power 4 plus 81. So we will do maths number 2. Here is 4x to the power 4 plus 81. So here is 4x to the power 4 plus 81. So 4x to the power 4, break it to x square whole square plus here is 9 square. So we can see here is a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus twice ab. Here is a square plus b square. So a plus b whole square. Here is a is 2x square. A plus b whole square minus 2a. B. Let's come back. Here is, we have got 2x square plus 9 whole square. That means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. 2ab. So here is 2x square plus 9 whole square minus 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36 x square. So now we can do 2x square plus 9, here is whole square minus 6x whole square. Here is a square minus b square. So let's come back here. A square minus b square position we have got. This is a square 2x square plus 9 2x square plus 9 whole square minus 6x whole square. A square minus b square. So we can do a square minus b square equal to, we can do a, here is a plus b. This is b, this is a and this is b. So a plus b into a minus of b. Here is a is 2x square plus 9 minus 6x. So we have got a plus b, that means this is a and this is b. This is a and this is b. So we have got a plus b into a minus of b. Now we draw the bracket, we will get the answer. So if we write the answer, write down the answer, we will get, here is 2x square plus 6x plus 9 and we can write 2x square minus 6x plus 9. So we have got the answer of maths number 2. This is also important maths. Okay, we will do maths number 3. Here is x to the power 4, x square y square plus y to the power 4. So at first you have to break converting to rules, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So let's come back. Here is x to the power 4. So x square whole square plus, I have taken here is 2x square y square. Here is y to the power 4, y square whole square. So we have got here is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here is, I have taken here is 2x square y square, but here is x square y square. So we have to subtract x square y square. Then we will, if we subtract this from this, we will get x square plus x square y square. So let's come back. Up to this we can write x square plus y square whole square. That means a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. And here is x square y square. We can write xy whole square. So this is a square and this is b square. So if we break, we will get a plus b. A position is, this is a plus b. A plus b into a minus of b. Okay, so let's come back. So this is a square, this is b square. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. So at first you have to break. You have to break x to the power 4. What is x square whole square? Here is x square y square. And here is a square. We know the rules. A square plus twice ab plus b square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. So we will try to convert the mass into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay. So for this I have taken here is 2. Here is plus. I have taken here is plus 2 is x square y square whole square. So a square x square whole square. That means a square position. Here is b square position. So you think that a square plus 2ab plus b square minus x square y square. Why? Because here is x square y square. Okay. So 2 minus 1, here is 1. So after this we can write x square plus y square whole square. Here is minus xy whole square. For this a square minus b square, we get a plus b. This is a position, this is b position. A plus b, a minus of b. So we can write x square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square. So we have got maths number 3. This is also important maths, that means basic maths. Now we will solve a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube type maths. So please follow the word. Here is a cube plus 8. You can see here is plus. You can see here is plus. So a cube plus b cube. So a cube 8 means 2 cube. So we have got a cube plus b cube. So if you can see plus, you have to follow this, a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b. This is a and this is b. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This is a, this is b. A square minus ab plus b square. Here is a, this is a and 2 is b. So a plus 2 into a square minus a into 2 plus 2 square. So here is a cube plus b cube. A plus 2 into a square minus a into 2 plus 2 square. So we will get a plus 2 a square minus 2a plus 4. So we have done a cube plus b cube type maths, a cube plus b cube. Now we will do a cube minus b cube equal to what? A cube minus b cube equal a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So here is 8x cube minus 27y cube. So let's convert 8. Here is 2, here is x. You have to keep it in a bracket. So 2x whole cube. So we have got here, this is 2x, this is a cube minus, here is 27, 3y whole cube. So this is a cube and this is b cube. We have got a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b, a minus of b. So twice x minus thrice y. This is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. So we have got twice x minus thrice y. That means a minus b. You can see a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b, a square. This is a and this is b. Let's come back. A square, that means 2x. A square plus ab, that means twice x into thrice y. Ab plus b position is thrice y. So we have got b square. Okay, I think you can see here is we have got a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Ab plus b square. Twice x, this is a and thrice y, this is b. So a cube minus b cube. Twice x minus thrice y into twice x whole square plus twice x into thrice y plus thrice y whole square. So we have got a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Follow the rules. Okay. So here is twice x minus thrice y into 2x whole square. We have got 4x square. 3 to the 3 into 2, 6xy and 3y whole square. That means we have got here is 9y square. Here is 9y square. Your maths done. So we have done a square minus b square, a square plus b square, then a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. We will resolve into factors using middle term breaking. Here is x square plus 7x minus 120. So already we have done a square minus b square, a square plus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube type maths. Okay, but here is no rules. You can see here is no rules. So we have to break it as a help of middle term breaking. This is a middle term, 7x, this is a middle term. But you can see here is 1. If no coefficient, but you have to think here is a 1 is a coefficient. So 1 into 120. 1 into 120. We will get 120. Okay. So you have to be careful. Here is 1. So first and last you have to multiply first and last. Here is first is 1. If no coefficient, you have to think here is 1. So 1 into 120 we have got here is 120. Now break it. Here is 2, here is 60. 2, here is 30, 2, here is 15. Now here is, it will go by 3 5s are 15. We have to bring, anyhow we have to bring 7x. You have to bring 7x. So at first we have to, you have to think, if you solve the resolve into factors, so at first you have to solve the maths using the rules of a square minus b square, a square plus b square, a cube plus b cube, and a cube minus b cube. If you fail to solve, then you have to think it will be the middle term, okay? Or you have to take make it short, then you have to solve. We will do the taking x, taking y, taking a, taking b, this type of maths in next lecture, okay? So this is middle term breaking. So you have to do at first 1 into 120, 120. You have to break 260, 230, 215, 3, 5. Here is 7. So anyhow, just multiply one after another and adding or subtracting, you have to bring 7x. So how is it possible? Breaking complete. So how is it possible? Multiply here 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 15, and 2 into 2 into 2. We get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 15 minus 8, easily we will get, here is 7x. So for adding and subtracting, you have to be careful, because here is plus. So for here is plus. So we have to subtract here. Here is 15, here is 8. So we have to take x square plus 15x, because here is 7x. 15x minus 8x minus 120. So plus minus. So numbers are subtracted. 15 minus 8, we will get here is 7x. So take common, take common. Easily we can take, here is x is a common. X plus 15 minus 8, x plus 15. So we will get, here is x plus 15, here is x plus 15. 8 into 15, 8 into 15, 120. Here is minus, here is minus. So here is x, minus a plus 15. So x plus 15, x plus 15. We can write x plus 15 into x minus of 8. X minus of 8. So this is middle term breaking. This maths done. Here is 8a to the power 4 plus 27a b cube resolved into factors. 8a to the power 4, 27a b cube. So at first you have to try to convert into square or cube, but here is 4, here is cube, here is a to the power 4. So take common a, we will get 8a cube plus 27b cube. So now easily we can solve it. Here is a, keep here 8a cube, that means 2a whole cube. 27b cube, that means 3b whole cube. So we have got, here is, we have got a cube plus b cube. Follow the board. A cube plus b cube. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now this is a cube, this is b cube. So we can do a plus b, a plus b. That means this is a, this is b. A plus b into a square minus ab, a b, a square minus ab plus a square minus ab plus b square. Here is 3b. This is b square. Okay, we have got twice a plus thrice b into a square minus twice a into thrice b plus thrice b whole square. So a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. We will get a into twice a plus thrice b, and here is 4a square minus 3 into 2, 6ab plus 9b square. Okay, so we have got this maths, and this is answer. So this is a resolve into factors. Okay, let's come back. We will do this maths. Here is a square minus twice ab plus b square minus b square. So easily a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to, we can write a minus b whole square. Up to this we can write a minus b whole square. Here is b square, very easy maths. So here is a square minus b square. We can write a plus b into a minus of b. You can say a minus b. This is a and this is b. So a square minus b square. A plus b. A plus b. A minus of b. We will get a minus b plus p. A minus b minus p. Answer. So this maths has done. Okay, let's come back. We'll do another maths in next lecture. So no more today. Thank you all. Be safe, stay home. Thank you.